لا ما عاد يرعبني ظلم يهددني لا شيء.
This is a true story. This is a sheikh, an Arabic sheikh. This sheikh solves every problem you present him with 2 rak'at. So, and I heard him explaining this. A guy came to me, he said, "Ya sheikh, I look at women a lot." He says, "Sheikh, help me. I look at women too much." The sheikh said, "It's really simple, but you have to commit to this. Every time you look at a woman," and I don't mean accidental look or like, you just business dealing look where there's no desire involved, but like look. He said, every time you look at a woman, pray 2 rak'at. Any time of the day, you look at a woman, the way that's improper, go pray 2 rak'at. See what's happening now. What's the formula? Why does this work? What is the bigger deal for Iblis? Does Iblis love that you look at a woman more so than he hates that you pray 2 rak'at to Allah? He hates that you pray 2 rak'at to Allah more than his love that you disobey by looking at a woman. True? So he said, every time you pray 2 rak'at, you look at a woman, pray 2 rak'at. The guy said, I'm a kind of a receptionist. A lot of women. He said, just pray 2 rak'at. The guy said, the first day I prayed like 5 times, 10 rak'at. The next day I prayed 8 rak'at. After that 6 rak'at, then 4, then 2. Then he said, after that, before I even look, if I hear a woman coming, like I hear her voice, she's on the phone, or I hear her high heels, tuck, 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 like that, the shaitan will tell me, don't look. If you look, you have to pray 2 rak'at, and just don't look. And he called the sheikh and said, Sheikh, I don't look at all now.